Swimming around gracefully, flapping its wing-like fins and flying through the ocean, manta rays bless the eyes of everyone who gets the chance to see them in person. So, what is a manta ray? The word manta is actually Spanish for blanket or cloak, so it's pretty easy to see the connection. They have huge bodies with a wingspan of up to 30 feet. The manta ray is a fish that evolved from the bottom-dwelling stingrays, eventually developing more wing-like pectoral fins. These wings help rays to maintain agility in the waters. And they also help rays to constantly be in motion throughout their life. This is because manta rays belong to a group of fish that are in a constant state of perpetual motion. This means that mantas never stop swimming, and they need to stay on the move to survive. The forward motion from swimming pushes water over their gills, which they use to extract oxygen. So when they are not swimming, they are not getting any oxygen. That seems tiring. But manta rays do it easily enough because of the way their fins are built. These beautiful rays are filter feeders, which means they feed on tiny crustaceans such as plankton and segmented worms. They will glide by large schools of plankton and scoop them up with their mouths wide open. Watching them, people often get the misconception of them being not that heavy. After all, how can a sheet-like fish be that heavy? Surprisingly, actually they are. They weigh up to 2 tons. For comparison, that's as much as a white rhino. Manta rays are smart, too smart for fishes. They in fact have the largest brain-to-body weight ratio of any living fish, giving it enough smartness to make the average dolphin jealous. They can easily remember places and use other fishes for their chores. Manta rays birth little manta pups about every second year. The newly born pup looks like a rolled-up little burrito. However, this is a relatively slow reproduction rate, which makes mantas vulnerable to overfishing. The manta rays have spots that are like fingerprints. Just like leopard shark and whale shark, manta rays can be individually identified by the spots on the underside of their bodies. While their looming size will take your breath away, you don't need to sweat. Manta rays are completely harmless to humans, unlike the stingrays. They have a non-functioning tail spine. But don't get carried away while with these beings. Manta rays are covered in a mucus film that protects them from harmful bacteria, and if it gets removed it can leave the ray open to illness and damage their immune system. This is why it's a big no-no to touch manta rays in the wild, as doing so will remove this protective mucus film. Manta rays have a lifespan of up to 40 years in the wild. However, when kept in captivity, they can live up to 50 years. Despite of all this, the International Union for Conservation of Nature has announced that the manta ray now joins 16,000 other species on the red list of threatened species. This is largely due to overfishing and being caught and entangled in fishing nets. Conservation attempts are ongoing, as losing these majestic water beasts will be a sad day for us all. Hope you liked the video and let us know why you love the manta rays as much as we do. And as always, thanks for watching.